SaaS business model is going to change forever. When you see these specific tools that can easily create any SaaS application, publish it to production with AI, you will be amazed. And the reason I'm I'm telling you this is because I spent like the couple of last 2 weeks just researching all IDEs, mostly all of the full stack agentic, let's say, softwares that we have on the marketplace. I try very hard to test all of them, and I believe that this is going to be insane. It's going to be great for developers. It's going to be really good when you test Cursor, when you see Windsurf, when you realize that you can use Figma and you can copy paste your template of your application, and you can get the template mock it up really quick. You can also say to Cloud, you see, this is just one simple prompt that I did. Hey, create a landing page. I just said create a model responsive landing page. This is the prompt actually. Create a modern responsive landing page for a fictional SaaS company. The landing page should include the sections, and I put the sections here. And here you go. You have the code, and you have the web, which actually it doesn't have the anchoring correctly. Okay, but if you go to where's the other example that I have for you here in Vercel? So the same prompt. Okay, the same prompt, just one prompt, it generate everything. And here we have a very cool landing page, or maybe it's not a landing page, maybe this can be more than that, but once you put more actions on top of it, more requirements. So the whole idea that I'm saying here is that it would be very easy for you to create a SaaS, but it will be very hard to monetize it. I totally believe that AI is changing every core on every industry. As you might know, that's not a secret anymore. But you as a developer, this is the question. I'm a software engineer, I'm a developer. How this will impact my life? It will impact my life in many ways. Okay, it's impacting already how you look for works. It's impacting already how teams are looking for developers, teams in a specific company. And it's also more easily for you to create a side hustle. Okay, but it would be harder to monetize it because there will be a lot of persons, pursuing the same path. I believe that in order to get to succeed on this specific path, you need to choose a specific niche, and you need to become very good at resolving those specific niche problems that you identify better than anyone. That's what I believe, that one of the future of SaaS business is going to be. Well, it's going to be AI driven, because AI is going to drive everything now on. AI is going to involve and be impacted in every area of our life, but it's going to be a verticalized business model. Okay, I believe that Google, Microsoft, these other specific big companies, Salesforce, are going to try to grab the marketplace. Why? Because it's easy for them. When you give to the customer a single solution where you can integrate and co-integrate different type of tools supported and leveraged by AI, it's going to be easy for the consumer. It's going to be easy for the client to handle those tools, because for the client, the less feature that the less things, the less clicks, the less feature that they need in order to resolve the problem, for them is better. Okay, but it will be harder for them to go deeper on specific areas, and that's where you can find a specific niche and a specific business model that can help you to create a side hustle. I believe that SaaS is going to be, I would say it again, SaaS is going to be very easy to produce but very hard to monetize. The other impact that I was reading here, as you can see, I'm doing a lot of research, but I'm just trying to wrap up really quick what my reasoning here, so it can get recorded for you and for me here. So it's the pricing model, size price. So now you have different type of prices, right? So normally you have the model that you can see here in this specific landing page, when you put specific features, and depending on the features you provide, you create a different template, a different groups of functionalities that you can sell at a specific price. But now you will see this price going lower. I bet that those prices will go lower because you will have a higher demand on specific tools, and you will have more tools to resolve the same type of problems. Okay, so it's going to be basically something that I believe is called use-based pricing. So, and I believe that company like Snowflake, OpenAI, and Microsoft are already trying to implement this specific business model where they just go give you the user the access they want, and you use it, you pay for it. What you pay for it is what you use. Okay, no more, no less. And another idea is that it allows you to let's think about it. If you are a developer, okay, this is just for a developer, this is for any entity. Developer, I also believe for developer and for any company. If you have cheaper tools to produce more outcomes, more outputs, okay, you can put more content, more products, more everything outside. But that doesn't mean you are creating more doesn't mean that you're creating better products. So you might need to choose. So now it will start a battle here on your reasoning on any company strategy to say, okay, will we push more products, more software, or will we create better software? And I believe this is a lot of challenges that most people face right now. And I think for what I'm seeing here in YouTube, for what I'm researching, maybe I'm totally wrong, you let me know here in the comments, is that people will realize that they will need to create good things in order to monetize it better. Okay, security is going to be always a problem here. Okay, guys, I'm not going to talk about security because I don't know, I'm not an expert on this area. I haven't done any research, but security is going to be here because as you have more tools on the marketplace, you will have more people targeting, or bad actors targeting these specific um, specific areas. So in general, I believe that these tools are really good. So I tried Cursor. For now, there is nothing that beats, on my opinion, Copilot. Okay, um, at least for what the versions that I try. I haven't tried the 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 business plan, the pro plan. It's just I'm just trying the free. If I get the pro and I have some feedback, I will let you know. I also tried the free version as on Windsor, which is very good actually. I really like B0 from Vercel, but the problem is I don't like to be hooked on a specific tools. Okay, so I'm creating specific ideas um, with these tools to just test what I'm thinking about it, and let's see if I can give you more updates on the future. For now on, my recommendation is that if you are a developer, you should use AI tools to improve your workflows, your developing workflows. If you are a client, you might be searching a lot for getting low price tools, which might hurt the builders, right? But from the other side, you will get more opportunity to increase the outcomes of getting a successful product in a niche if you can ship more faster. I hope you like this video. Let me know in your comment what you think about this. Of course, that is all hype, but I believe that you need to take opportunities of all the hypes because that's how marketing and that's how a market works. Okay, so you get a trend, you analyze the trend and you try to get part of it somehow. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye guys. Bye bye.